Hey guys, welcome to Leap Scholar. My name is Saket and welcome to another video on scholarships. But this time we talk about full scholarships. Many students ask me in the comments if there are 100% scholarships available. The answer is yes. Many universities offer fully funded scholarships, which sometimes also comprises of a living allowance, health insurance and return airfare from the home country. Today, let us discuss a few such scholarships. And before we begin, do note that to avail 100% scholarships, you'll need high academic grades, an exemplary English language score, and an outstanding profile. These scholarships are highly competitive and a number of students apply for them each year. And that ain't easy. It requires a lot of effort and hard work to avail one of these scholarships with a bit of luck as well. So let's begin. Number 1, Chevening scholarships to study in the UK. One of the most coveted scholarships, Indian students with a minimum of 65% in their undergraduate degree with 2 years of work experience are eligible to apply for this one. The student should intend to study at a British university for a 1-year postgraduate program and has to submit an unconditional offer letter, education docs and 2 recommendations to apply. It is a fully funded scholarship and covers tuition fee, living costs, travel costs and visa costs as well. To give you a rough idea, the value is worth over 30 lakh rupees. Number 2, Monash International Leadership Scholarship to study at Monash University, Australia. Available to all international students intending to study a UG or a PG program at Monash University, Melbourne, this scholarship covers 100% tuition fee for the entire duration of your program. The applicants should hold a full offer from the university and are required to submit a 500-word application statement outlining their potential to be an ambassador for the university. The recipient should maintain a weighted average mark of 70 each semester and is required to participate in at least 3 marketing and scholarship promotional activities to retain the scholarship. Monash is amongst the group of 8 universities in Australia and is ranked amongst top 100 globally. Number 3, Concordia Presidential Scholarships to study at Concordia University, Canada. This scholarship will cover tuition fee, books and living costs and is awarded to full-time undergraduate international students intending to study any UG program at the university. The scholarship is renewable for 4 years provided the student meets the required renewal requirements. It is designed to support international undergraduate students who have shown academic excellence, community leadership and motivation to better the global community. To apply for one, the applicant needs to submit their resume, a personal statement and a statement from a nominator. These scholarships cover all your tuition fee and living expenses in Canada. Number 4, Fulbright scholarships to study in the United States. These highly coveted scholarships are awarded to students intending to study a master's or a doctoral program in the United States. The scholarship funds full tuition fee, airfare, a living stipend and health insurance for the duration of the study. There are a number of awards available and I would highly recommend you to look at United States India Educational Fund or USEIF website for more detailed information on how to apply. Do note that these scholarships are extremely competitive. Number 5, Deakin Vice Chancellor's Meritorious 100% Scholarship India to study at Deakin University, Australia. These scholarships are available in the fields of STEM, creative arts, sports studies and general studies and awards 100% tuition fee waiver for the duration of the program. It is open for both UG and PG students with 85% plus in 12th grade or 80% overall in your bachelor's degree. The applicant should also submit an application to study at the university in addition to 2 recommendations and a personal statement. Applicant should be an Indian citizen with Indian passport and should be residing in India at the time of the application. Deakin is one of the leading universities in Australia and consistently ranked amongst top 2% universities globally. There are quite a lot of scholarships out there which offer 100% tuition fee waiver and in some cases living expenses too. But like I said earlier, the competition for them is intense and you cannot always rely on them. For students who wish to study abroad and are not able to secure scholarships or fund their tuition fee, I would highly recommend them to check out Scandinavian countries such as Norway, Denmark, Finland and Sweden. There are many institutions offering extremely low tuition fee or free education for international students. To know more, you can speak to one of our experts for more information. Also, I have mentioned all the scholarships I have discussed today in the description box below. Hope you guys liked today's video. give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will keep bringing more videos for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.